it is me, Bianca Knockka, and I am back with a new video. I have my bonnet on because yeah, girl here is looking crazy. Alright, so I want to just get into the wig that we are going to be reviewing today. I'm going to give you guys all the deets, so make sure you watch this video, okay? So if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned and make sure you continue to watch. This is Hurela here. This is the box that it comes in, and we're going to talk about shipping and all of that. So I ordered this here and I received it via DHL. And you know DHL, they get here with the quickness. You call them up, I'm coming. Where you at? I'm here. Like, they got here within 3 days, literally. I got my hair so fast, I was so shocked. I was like, yes. The hair that I have is a 26-inch. And it is body wave. What I love about this hair is the knots are so light, y'all. It's so light. Like, the knots are so tiny. You can't even see it. So what that tells me is when I bleach these knots, it's gonna give me scalp, okay? It is gonna give me scalp. So make sure you continue watching this video. Don't you go nowhere. You better not go nowhere.
Hey, so I'm back, and now we're gonna go ahead and apply the wig to the mannequin head. You want to make sure your hair is pushed all the way back before you apply the bleach. This way it doesn't over bleach your knots. And you want to also make sure you apply your wax stick. I use Bedhead, very good brand, so I would suggest that. Once you're done, you want to just go ahead and flat comb the front of the hair all the way back. This way it lays flat. And this is what it should look like once you're done before you apply it to your head.
Do you guys see that? You know what? I'm going to do a side part. I'm going to do a side part for y'all because y'all deserve it. I haven't even cut the wig yet, and I'm just in love with it. Okay, y'all. Okay. I'm excited. I'm getting excited. Let me go ahead and cut this, please. Let me go cut it. We don't want to mix the glue with makeup. So just get in that perimeter because I have makeup on. How much forehead I want today? Okay. So now what we gotta do is we're gonna go ahead and spray our got to be glue.
So after removing the elastic band, this is when you want to work on your baby hair. I'm just measuring how the baby hair is going to lay. And once I figure out how I want to style it, that's when I will go ahead and cut the baby hairs. Now, I like to just take a straightener and just straighten it out because it just makes it more easier for it to lay flat. You can also curl it. Curling it is definitely a good method. I've seen that from Arrogante. That would make a big difference on laying your baby hairs down. But I was too lazy. I didn't feel like getting my curling iron, so I just used my hot comb to do it. After you're done with that, you just want to place the elastic band back on your head to lay it down, and you want to flat iron your hair for how you want to style it. I'm going to do a side part, so of course it has to lay flat. So you will need your wax stick and your flat iron. And now it's time to lay those edges with the toothbrush. Yes, I'm using a toothbrush because I cannot find my edge brush. I don't know where it was at, so I had to use the best thing that was next.
Alright, ladies, this is the final look. As you can see, I did add some wand curls to it. I just added some in the front because the hair is already lumptious, so it's really no need to go overboard with the wand curl. And that's another good thing. This hair takes heat very well. I literally sat the hair on the curling wand for about 10 seconds and the curl was just there. This is how long the hair is. Mind you, I am 5'1", so I'm pretty short, and this is how long the hair comes to me, and this is 26 inches, baby. Okay, so this is so beautiful. I love this hair, and I am so glad I got this hair. I will be keeping you all updated on how this hair holds up. So far so good. I didn't really run into any issues with any excessive shedding, only when I was plucking the hair, which is pretty normal. The knots take bleach very well, and it only took literally like 7 minutes to bleach the hair. So the pre-plucked hairline, my best part about the hair. I love the fact that it was pre-plucked. I didn't have to do much, as you guys can see in the video, so that was amazing. I love this hair. Hurela, you did your thing, baby. I love this hair. I really love it. I told you guys I am on to the body wave, okay? It's just body wave. Body wave is up, okay? I'm so late in the game, y'all. Don't judge me. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be posting more videos, so make sure you hit the notification bell at the top right to keep yourself notified whenever I post a new video. Make sure you also subscribe. And my name is Bianca Knockka, and I'm tuning out.